There it goes. That's it.
Now there's retaining.
Yeah, if those bearings are cracked, you'll be able to salvage them off the other.
Big one requires press, and it's very questionable whether you can ever even get it off without saving it.
Okay.
So we need to save that one.
That one looks okay.
It does look okay. The spacer is very important. So you got on there a little sideways. These right here should just pull off, but those have to be in that order. Very important. Oh, where's the crush sleeve? Oh, it doesn't have one because it's stronger than that. Sorry, I had to say it.